want all of this. No, maybe we'll half and three quarters. Yeah, thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
With what, fries?
No ice, you idiot.
I thought he said. Well, I thought he.
Oh, you idiot.
I thought he said fries.
Next time, like, whatever you say, take a picture.
Can you fill this bucket with fries? That's what I thought he said.
Stop recording.
Ew.
That fall out my nose.
Stop.
I double chin.
Hey, did you watch American Idol last night?
No. My nose is itchy now.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground. Pants on the ground.
Is that from American Idol?
Yeah. I'll show it to you on YouTube. Yeah, top. You look so sexy when you eat. Oh, now that's just sick. Did you get it on you?
No.
No.